In this discussion, you can see what is demo data and how we will create demo data in Odoo database, and we will see the real test case. In case you missed previous discussion about no update attribute in XML site, please check, link is given in description. And right now we are working in this playlist Odoo data file part 6. Basically this playlist is used to create a demo data plus the real data using XML file and using CSV file. There are many test cases available in this playlist, like how you can create records in CSV file or XML file. Then after we have a relational field in Odoo, so how you can add those fields, the records, the existing records in the CSV file, you can see in this playlist. Also you can see like how you can also delete a specific view, menus, action and all using the delete tag. Using the delete tag you can also delete a multiple records. You can also prevent the record updation while the upgrading time. So all the test case you can see in this playlist. Apart from this, you can see the main playlist like Odoo version 13 and 14 development technical tutorial here. And if you are following this playlist, then you don't need to follow the other playlist. Those are the sub playlist with the topic wise. If you want to see, if you want to learn more about the CLI command, you can just use this one. Then after available data types or supported data types by Odoo, you can see in this playlist. Then after like how many Odoo supports core methods, you can see here. Then after model level attribute, you can see here, and some Odoo examples. Apart from this, you can see here editor level tips, and mainly is the Python tips. In Python playlist you will get a real test case for the development purpose, like how you can merge or split the PDF file, how you can create a XML or CSV file, or read the Excel or CSV file. Then after the parsing the JSON file, then after how you will get the host name or IP address using Python. Then after how you are download the specific URL image in Python. Then after you can see the internet test speed. Then after like you can compare the two directory or two files using the PyCharm editor. So you will get all the informations in this playlist. And and more about the source code, you will get into about this tab, and you will get the source code in this GitHub link. Let's come to the main topic, like how you can create a demo data. First of all, you need to understand like Odoo provides two type of database. The one is the demo data, demo database, and another is without demo data. Like what is the difference between these two? So right now you can see this database is not a demo database, but we already created this school profiles either manually from here. Then after like we created using the CSV file as well as the XML file, but those data are the real data. Let's see how you can create demo database. Let me log out from this database. Then after let me go to this manage database link. You can see here right now I'm using this Odoo underscore 14 and as a community version. Let me create another database like Odoo. Oh, sorry, here I have to mention the master password. Then after Odoo 14 demo db. Then after you can see here the demo data. If this checkbox is true, it means Odoo will see, okay, like this database having a demo data true. It means like whenever you install any module, so that module having any demo data, then it will automatically install those records. Otherwise it will leave as it is. So let me check this one. Then after let me click to this continue button to create a new database. And for more information you can see here in the terminal like it will create a, it will loading this dash module right now, and within a few seconds it will load successfully. So you can see all the logs here. Okay, let me go to the front end side here. Okay, you can see by default this database selected, and let me go to here and log in as an admin. Okay, so now I will click to the, I will clear the search filter and let me add the content. Sorry, contact. Okay, I'm trying to install this module. Let me minimize this screen. Let me open one more tab like localhost 80, and let me select this database, the actual database right now what we are working here, all the flows like as admin, and we already have this contact field. Now you can see only two records is available, like as administrator and my company. There is no other records is found. So here you can see contact module successfully installed. Let me click to this contacts menu, and now you can see like total 36 demo data loaded. So you don't need to recreate all the records. So that's the main difference, like you already have at least some records to check your flow, then you can just use the demo database. Otherwise you can just use without demo data like this way. So this is demo database. Like here you can see the demo data is like while creating a new database, that time when you check that checkbox as a demo data, then you can see like all this demo data will load. And not only here, like for example, if you will click, if you will install this sales menu, sales module, and same like I will add here in apps. So it will take a time because here the main process only focus to the installation of this module in this demo database. So that's why it will take a time here. So let's finish this process first, and then after we will start to install the sales module in this database. Also you can check the logs here. And again let me go to the browser first. It's trying to refresh the page. Okay, it's successfully loaded. Like here, let me try the same thing, like I will install the sales module in this database. Like without demo data it will load, and you can see the installation time also reduce, because here like the normal installation complete, then after it will load all the demo data. So it will take a few more seconds here, and here you can see like it will take a less seconds to install this module. And yeah, again it is depends on the availability of the memory of this, of the server or of the computer. If you want to see the process, you can see here. So you can see it's very fast without demo data. Okay, let's see one by one. For this without demo data, you can see sales menu, and if I will click to here, you can't see the quotation, then after you cannot see the products also, right? Like you cannot also see the invoices. But for the demo database, yeah, like you can see here the quotations, like a total 20 quotations is available. Then after you can see actual orders also, the like dummy records also you can see. Then after invoice is there. If you see here, this is the invoice. Let me add a big screen, and you can see here the products also load, and here you can see there is no any single products available, like we have to create manually. So that's the different, like demo database and without demo database. Now, like you can also create your own demo data using XML file. Like how? Let's see. We will add some dummy records for the student profile. Let me minimize this one. Let me go to our main module, like school underscore student, or let's say like school. Then after, like you can see here, like actual data will load like this way. Like first we have to add a data directory, so developer can understand, okay, this is the actual data, there is no any dummy data available here. So same like this way, like we have to create a new directory, and the name is a demo. It is mandatory, but it is not a fix always. Like you can also create dummy data here, but the good practice is you can just use under the demo data, demo directory. That is the good practice, like school demo data.xml. Then after, let me add here the XML signature. Let me close this main Odoo root tab. Then after, let me add here, sorry, model. Then after ID, and here like school.profile, demo profile 1 as a unique ID. Then after, let me add here the name of the school, like demo school. Then after, let me add here the auto rank, like 10, and that's it. Let me add 5 dummy records, but here you have to make sure like ID should be always unique. 2, 3, 4 and 5, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and let me change the record. So like this way you can create your demo data like this way. Then after, we have to go to here in manifest file, and there is a general practice, like we are always creating like demo slash, then after school underscore demo underscore data.xml file, right? Like whether the view part or whether the access rights part, like the actual data file, like you are just register here, right? You can you are always register here under this data key. But for the demo data, like Odoo provides a separate key, like demo, same as the data, like only the difference is the key name only. Like then after, the type is always same as the data. Then after, we have to cut this one and we have to paste here. That's the difference to register the demo files in manifest file. Like you have to create a demo as a key. In list you have to provide the specific path of the demo file. This is the general practice and this is the unique one. If you will provide by mistakenly this one here in data key, then it like Odoo consider this is the actual data. So without demo data it will also load. First let me do the same thing, like first let me add in under the demo key, then after we will see here also. Then after we have to restart the service. Then after I'm going to here in front end side, I'm going to apps. Then after let me add here school and let me install this school module. Okay, it's successfully installed and now you can see this school menu is also available, and now you can see this extra 5 records is created using the demo XML file. Now we will try to upgrade the module. Like I'm going to here, let me search that school module. Let me upgrade this module. And it's successfully installed. It successfully upgraded the module. And let me go to one more time in school profile, and you can see here you cannot see this demo school 1, 2, 3 and 4. This 5 record you cannot see here because this is the demo records, and here you can see not create any demo records in any module. So this is the main difference in without demo database and with the demo database. And this is the main key point in manifest file, like demo key. So if you see here in the existing modules, so let's say in accounting part, and you can see here this data key, you can see also the demo key, and you can see this XML file under this demo directory. Like all this record automatically install while installation time or upgrading time. So for example, we already created 5 records. Let's say I will create one more record in XML file, like let's say 6, and the 6th demo school profile like this, and let me add as a 1 auto rank, and let me try to upgrade the module in this database. So what happened, like for example that XML ID not found. XML ID means this one, this ID not found. Then after like Odoo automatically create a new record. Let's say here, let's say I'm going to here in school, and you can see this demo data will automatically create. Okay, so like this way you can just create a dummy data in your module, or simply you can paste your dummy data in the existing module and just try to upgrade the module. That's it. And the main key point is like by default all having like no update flag true. For example, let's say I'm going to here in view metadata, and you can see here this no update. By default it's true, but we didn't add here in this XML file here, especially here, like we didn't mention here like no update 1. we didn't add, but in our previous discussion we see like what is the purpose of this attribute. So you can see like this is the main difference in the demo data and the actual data. And let's say I'm just trying to upgrade, I'm just trying to modify this existing record which is already available, this profile, this XML ID is available in the database, and I'm just trying to modify this record in XML side, and I'm trying to upgrade the module, then it won't be update that record. So it means like demo data always having that no update flag true by default. So let me go to here, and you can see like the name is not didn't change after the upgrading the module due to this. Okay, what about by mistakenly let's say by mistakenly I added this one here also, then what happened? Like I have to first restart the module, and then after I'm going to here, sorry, this is the demo data file, and let me comment this one. Let me again restart the service, and I'm going to here and trying to upgrade the module school. Okay, it's upgraded, and now you can see this, you can see in this database this records created. And for example, if I will open this one like demo school, and the same record I will open here, let me start the debugger mode. So here in this view metadata you can see no update flag is true. Now you can see here in view metadata you can see this no update flag, by default it's false. So that's the main difference. Like in the demo database, in the demo key, whatever you mention, it's updated as a no update as a true, and here in the database, here in the data key, whatever the XML file you mention, and especially like you didn't add like no update attribute as a 1, then by default it's a false. So that's the main difference in these two databases. So I hope you understood like main difference between actual data versus the demo data, like what is the purpose of this demo data and why we need to use. You can also create your dummy data under the demo directory like this way. Oh, let me close this one. Then after you can see here like this one, under this demo directory you have to create model wise XML file, or in one XML file you can create a multiple records. So it's up to you, and just don't forget to update those demo data demo files in this demo key, not here, otherwise it will treat as actual data. So that's the main difference between this data, this demo key in the manifest file. So I hope like you understood all the things like real data wise the demo data, plus how you can create your own dummy data with the specific module, and what is the restrictions here. So in case you have any query or any doubt, please comment below, and see you in next session.